Recently, the Meghalaya Chief Minister inaugurated the 6th Meghalaya Saras Aajeevika Fair 2025 at the Soso Tham Auditorium in Shillong in the presence of C&RD Minister Sosthenes Sohtun and other dignitaries. In his remarks, the Chief Minister said the fair also marked a celebration of, quote, the quiet revolution, unquote, underway in rural areas and driven predominantly by women through the self-help group movement. He described the self-help groups as one of the state's most transformative community initiatives, where women combined hard work with cultural knowledge to expand economic opportunities. Reflecting on the rise of the SHGs to 55,000 groups, he said their growth stemmed from a shift in governance that prioritized improving the lives of women, farmers, youth, and entrepreneurs. He noted that the movement began in response to high maternal mortality rates, which led the government to focus on nutrition, family planning, economic support, and broader empowerment, eventually fueling the expansion of the self-help groups. The Chief Minister highlighted that Meghalaya is currently the second fastest growing economy in the country and attributed this momentum not only to government expenditure and capital investment, but also to grassroots economic activity driven by the self-help groups. He stressed that strong institutional frameworks and enhanced entrepreneurship programs would be critical to the future of the self-help groups. He concluded by commending the self-help group members for their contributions and expressed hope that their cooperative spirit would continue to propel rural transformation. The event also featured the felicitation of community cadres and awards to village organizations supporting ICDS services and running transit homes for pregnant women. Certificates were presented to 15 Har Ghar Tiranga volunteers. Additional highlights included the distribution of micro ATMs to business correspondents, loan checks to self-help groups, cold chain boxes to Pashu Sakhis, the launch of Nais Chetna, and the unveiling of 50 integrated farming clusters, Lomlang Marketing Federation, and the fair itself. More than 60 self-help groups and rural entrepreneurs from Meghalaya and other states took part in the event.
Next, we have Shri M. Fakruddin, who is an extended to extend Next, we have Conrad Pentingan Dakhal. She is a community resource person for enterprise promotion for Mulay. Starting a small clothing business in 2016 with just 20,000 rupees, she is now having an annual turnover from 40,000 to 50,000. Next, we have Shri Akhilesh G. Sangma, bookkeeper from Reva Para Block, Southwest Garo Hills.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I request. What exactly?
Basket. Oh, so nice. Thank you. Yeah, it's okay. Discuss you. Wow, so many products. Good. Okay, great. Good. So nice. How many members are there in the group? Oh, okay. That's a different. So it's a VO, right? Okay, great.
The Suji and the Gina also, we are combining them.
No, good. Oh, Christmas decorations. Great. It's a perfect place to sell. This will be open late night also.
Yes, evening also. Yes, sir.
Good. One photo? We'll click like this, I think. Selfie is good. 1, 2, 3.
Friends, we today are gathered here to really, in one way, celebrate a very, very quiet revolution that is taking place in our villages, which in a way is being powered by the rural women of our state. And for that, they are bringing and combining their hard work with a lot of aspects of our culture and tradition, and creating opportunities for themselves and for others by doing so. The self-help group movement, in one way, if you look at it, is maybe one of the most transformative community-driven programs that we have started in the state more than a decade back, but of course has picked up in an exponential manner in the last 7 years. I was listening very deeply to comments being made by officials who spoke before me. And as you can see by the different activities that we are doing, that this is far beyond just simply economic empowerment. I keep sharing with all of you and with the citizens of the state that Meghalaya has today embarked on a very different approach when it comes to governance. We don't look at schemes and programs anymore. That is not what drives us. What drives us is to see the smiles on our citizens' faces. What drives us is to see our farmers earn a bit more than they used to before. What drives us is to be able to see a mother, a daughter, a sister being able to make her own decisions as she pleases by ensuring that she is economically empowered. What drives us is to see the youth of our state being able to choose their passion, being able to follow their dreams, not because that's the only thing that's available in front of them, and not because their parents want it, but because they want it. And the way for us to achieve these goals or these outcomes as officers, as politicians, as leaders, and when I say leaders, not just leaders at the government and state level, leaders at the grassroots level, is to always ensure that we are not driven by the programs and policies and schemes that have been shown to us. Because if we do that, I think we're missing the picture completely.